Hi, my name is Michael Hua. I am the pharmacist in charge here at Harbor Compounding, and today we're going to go over directions on how to use your PERL Top-to-Click device. With your package, you should get a purple insert. This will help you kind of provide insight in terms of how to use it, but I'm going to walk through step by step with you in terms of directions on use. For every PERL Top-to-Click, you will have a prescription label. Please refer to your prescription label for your dosing. In this regard, we're just going to show you an example of how it would be done. You're going to have the Top-to-Click device, and then you will have the vaginal applicator. This vaginal applicator is reusable. You just have to wash it after use with soap and water and let it air dry. All Top-to-Click PERL devices will have a cap. You would pop the cap off, and there will be a hole on top. You will then place the device on top, and it should fit very snugly. The device is meant to be turned clockwise from the bottom, and you will hear a click. Each click is going to be 1/4 of a gram of cream or 0.25 mLs of cream. So in this regard, I'm going to turn it once, turn it twice. If you heard 2 clicks, that means you are now loaded in this device with 1/2 gram of cream or 0.5 mLs of cream. You do not want to yank it off. You want to tilt off the applicator. You're going to use this applicator vaginally in the diagram as shown. After utilizing this vaginal applicator, to use this vaginal applicator, you want to insert it into the vaginal area as shown. You want to push it as far as possible, but without causing discomfort. You're going to press it to displace the cream into the vaginal area. And again, this is reusable. So you're going to wash it with soap and water and let it air dry. You are going to close the cap for future use. So some tips in terms of using vaginal applicators. You usually want to use these vaginal creams at bedtime so you don't have daytime discharge as a possible issue. We do recognize that some patients do need to use it more than once a day. In that regard, we recommend you use a panty liner to help protect any possible discharge. And we also recommend you do not use tampons while using vaginal medications. The tampons can absorb the medications. With that, thank you so much, and thank you for using Harbor Compounding Pharmacy.